Welcome to Lake Dunlap, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Texas Hill Country, just minutes from New Braunfels. Spanning 410 acres along the Guadalupe River, this former hydroelectric reservoir is a sanctuary for boating, fishing, and natural beauty. Built in 1931 to power the region, Lake Dunlap thrived under the stewardship of the Guadalupe River Authority from 1963 onward. But in May 2019, the spillway collapsed, nearly draining the lake in a single day. After a massive community effort and rebuild, the lake roared back in late 2023. Today, Lake Dunlap is buzzing again with wakeboarding, tubing, and paddle sports. Its narrow inlets and tree-lined banks create calm, postcard-perfect conditions, perfect for family adventures. Bass, crappie, striped bass, catfish, anglers flock here for abundant fishing, supported by regular stocking to keep the action hot. Beyond the water, spot deer, grazing cattle, and majestic cypress trees, a serene, almost wild scene that few get to witness. Lake. Craving day trip access? The free TPWD boat ramp off I-35 is open year-round, full of launch support, parking, even an RV park right by the water. And when you're ready to leave the shoreline, vibrant New Braunfels is nearby, home to Texas's oldest dance hall, scenic caverns, and the world-famous Schlitterbahn water park. From its dramatic rebirth to its hidden lake charm, Lake Dunlap is ripe for your next viral drone adventure. Ready to explore this Texas treasure? Hit like, subscribe, and come fly with us at Lake Dunlap.